Hi, it's Jeremy here with another book review. Hope you are ready for this one because this one's all around probably the favorite subject not of everybody, which is finance. So this book is actually called The Accounting Game. And the accounting game, as you can see from the front, right, it's based on a lemonade stand. So yes, it's a little bit American in that context. However, what it talks to you about, it's a fantastic learning tool. Now, this book is interactive as much as books are being interactive are, as in you can start to learn through a fun story how finance works. It's basics. Even if you've got a little bit of knowledge, it will help to finesse that. But if you're a starter and just really, I don't know what to do with finance, don't understand balance sheets or, all that sort of stuff, this book is going to take you there. It's by, Mills and Orloff. So Mills and Orloff, Darrell Mills and Judith Orloff, and it takes you through step by step, understanding from the basic premise of a lemonade stand and obviously a child's perspective, but it's got interactive workbooks in there that are actually really straightforward, really simple. And the concept is a child wants to start a lemonade stand. And as they go through, obviously to start one, you need to get some lemons. And so I've got to buy the lemons, so I need to take some money. Have I got any money? Do I borrow money? Then I've created the lemons. I've got some assets. Have I? Or what do you know? I've got stock. How does it all work together? And it's a really simple way of building it up to understanding how finance works. So if you're a starter or just an early adopter or whatever, get The Accounting Game. It's it's a large format book. However, it's only 140 odd pages, and it's really simply written. It gives you some key points to remember, to retain. There's a couple of quiz points in there as well to help you cement that learning. But it's a real great starting point for understanding finance. I hope you enjoy the book.